all know and love Chick-fil-A. And in honor of Chick-fil-A's new seasonal berry flavor, it's only right to give an in-app tutorial on how to use the Chick-fil-A app. So here it is. Go ahead and open the Chick-fil-A app, and the first thing that you should see is the home screen. Now, this is where you can start your order by picking up at a restaurant, or you can select delivery me. And if you're ordering for catering, well, they got you too. Select your preferred method of pickup, and then you'll need to select your location. Once you do, then hit start my order. When you pick up your order, you'll have 4 different options: drive-thru, carry out, curbside, and dine in. But I usually go with carry out. Now, Chick-fil-A will automatically pull up your most recent ordered items. And if you're not interested in that, then hit full menu. Now, you can start your order from there. Now, whenever I start my order, I feel like every meal needs a drink, entree, and of course a side. So let's go with one of Chick-fil-A's limited edition flavors. They have a cherry berry in the form of sweet tea and a lemonade. Choose the rest of the variations like your sweet tea, or whether you want diet or not. But I'm going with the cherry berry lemonade. I usually get my drink with no ice as well. And then add it to your bag. So I have my drink, and now it's time for the entree. And for today, I'm going with the chicken strips, specifically the 4-piece. But you need your sauces. In the app, you're allowed up to 3 sauces, and if everything was good, you add to order. And I think I'll go with the salad. So these are all of my toppings that come with it. And if you want to take anything out or add anything in, you can do it here. If everything looks good, then let's review your order. We have a cherry berry lemonade, the 4-piece chicken strip with honey mustard and Polynesian sauce, and last but surely not least, the side salad. Okay, all in all, our total is $13.59. Next, hit continue to checkout. And once you've added in your payment method, hit complete my order. And that's how you place an order on the Chick-fil-A app. Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A. Wait, did I already say Chick-fil-A? Alright, bye guys. Peace.